Ciao my friends! Lily's here and super excited to showcase my Renaissance preset pack, inspired by the Italian art of the 14th century. The Italian Renaissance is where I got inspired to create the preset with colors from my favorite artists like Raffaello, Botticelli and others, so that your photos feel like a painting. This pack includes 4 color and 2 black and white presets that are super simple and versatile to use. I also include bonus brushes to really pop your photos. Ciao my friends! Are you ready to get inside my Renaissance inspired world? This is a set of photos from me and from other photographers. I'm going to show you how the preset works with other different types of camera and light. So I know you can see a lot of photos, but I promise I'll be fast. Are you ready? So, before I want to showcase to you each one by one my preset. Let's start here. This is a fresco, is the base. It's my go-to preset that has a modest amount of contrast and vibrance. It works in most lighting condition, and now I show you the after and the before. Then we are going to see chiaroscuro. Chiaroscuro I use mostly during sunset. It gives an extra pop of contrast and color to the photo. And this is after and this is before. Now we're going to see the sfumato. I use it indoors and also outside when I want to give a creamy and soft tone for my images. See, this is after and this is before. Then we have a notturno. This is my low light preset that I use for twilight and night with my flash. So this is after and this is before. Then we have a carboncino. This is my timeless black and white. I use to give a high contrast and feel like a charcoal drawing to my picture. This is after and this is before. And then we have a graffite. This is my softer black and white preset that I use to give like these graphite grays, like a pencil sketch to the picture. And this is after and this is before. All right, guys, so we can start here to do some editing. So, going to develop and we start to work with the preset together. All right, guys, let's start to do some editing together. So, I'm going to develop and start to work. I'm applying fresco preset. And first I check always the exposure, bring down to give the moody vibes, then fix the crop and rotate when need, and check the white balance. Okay, it's a little bit too warm for me. And let's see the before and after. Before and after. I'll bring a little bit more warm and done. Okay, next. Okay, in this case there is a lot of light coming from the window. I don't want to use the sfumato, so I go with fresco. Bring it down with the exposure. Okay, check the white balance. Oh, I love it. I bring it back a little bit the magenta. Yes, not too much. I don't want her skin tone to turn pink. And then I'm going to fix the look of the photos from here. Ta-da! Everything is gonna straight and crop a little bit. There we go. Love it. Before and after. Move to the next. Okay, apply fresco. Fix exposure. All right. Crop. Okay, and then check the white balance. Amazing. It's a bit too warm for me, so always check the white balance with the original photo. But so I want to show you. My computer is a bit slow today, probably because it's Sunday. Before and after. There we go. All right, now we start with the super fast editing. If you want to give your photos a bold and vibrant look that feels like a work of art, this is for you.